Hello, my name is Ben, and I'm a software engineer at OverOps. Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to connect OverOps to a Minecraft server to do real-time production debugging. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start the OverOps collector, which is a service to which we will connect our Minecraft server application. Since you don't need to add any code to use OverOps, all I have to do is add this command line argument, which will tell Java to use OverOps as the agent. Now I'm going to run the server. Once our server starts, I'm going to connect to it. Now, obviously, this is a local server, but the steps would be pretty much the same in a production environment. So I've created a mod using Forge, and the mod has a couple of features. The first is I've got an ore called Sneaky Ore. And if anyone's familiar with Minecraft, you know this looks exactly like diamond ore, which is quite rare and valuable. So an unsuspecting player may come up and try to mine this ore. But let's see what happens. Okay, as you can see, instead of mining it, it multiplied. If I try to mine it again, it's going to multiply again. So instead of being a diamond ore, this Sneaky Ore is more of a pest. I've also created this OverOps tool. And the OverOps tool serves one function, and that is to break the Sneaky Ore. However, if you try to break a different kind of block, let's see what happens. Start on fire. So now if I go over to the tree and I try to break the tree, I would expect that I would start on fire. Clicking, nothing is happening, which indicates to me that there's some sort of an error in our application. So now I'm going to go over to OverOps. Inside of OverOps, I have a list of exceptions that have occurred in my Minecraft server. If I go up here to this just now, I can see that I had a null pointer exception inside of my OverOps item class. So I'm going to click on that to get some more information. This is the automated root cause analysis page. And here I can see the stack trace. I can see the source code and where the error occurred, as well as some recorded variable state. So I'm going to use this to look and see what happened. So here I can see that seconds, which should be a number, is null. So when it tries to get the integer value, it throws an exception. Now over here, I actually have the ability to see who changed the code. In this case, all of them were me. And I changed these specific lines in this commit. I also have the ability to view any logs or environment variables that may have occurred at the time of this exception. I can click here and also see the commit. So I'm going to open that commit up to see if I can see what happened. Okay, so I see up here, I have a list of possible blocks with a time associated with them, which would be the number of seconds that I will be on fire should I try to break that type of block. And I can see down here, I'm trying to get that type of block, get the seconds, and then set the player on fire for that number of seconds. Well, the issue is I'm clearly trying to break a block that does not occur in this hash map. So I'm going to go back to my code, and I'm going to add if seconds equals null, I'm going to set the player on fire for 1 second. Now let me stop that. Now I will start my server up again with my code change. So once my server restarts, I'll connect back to it. And let's try this out. Click on the tree, I'm on fire. Let me try a branch, I'm on fire. It looks like my code change worked. So thank you for joining me today to see exactly how easy it is to connect OverOps to an application.